Saturday morning. Thought about my niggas, money, women, and smoking. I've been getting this dough, man. Smoking po up with the hoes and homies. Whoa.
Hey, relax.
How you doing?
Oh, it's how much?
Where did you get that?
That's
prehistoric, man.
Yes,
that is so
it's
old.
Good. I know it's so old. You don't see. Oh, it's stupid. You don't know. That's why you don't know, huh?
The Babon is too old,
What
Dad.
you mean? Like, something like.
It's not good.
It's no good.
No.
Something like.
What? How are you gonna say?
You don't know nothing. You're stupid. Well, daddy. Bad for corner. What corner? Well,
FM 90. It's already on the Haitian station. Now.
Well,
How, can you hear anything?
Well, baile. My boy Haiti. I send that to Haiti. That's for your auntie, man. You don't know, man. That's good, man. That's a funny deal. You go to Walmart to buy that. Go to Walmart, it costs you $50, $80, $90, $100, $200.
I don't think Sony makes that. I don't think Sony. I don't think they make it. Yeah. Thank you, fella.
I woke up Saturday morning. Thought about my niggas, money, women, and smoking. I've been getting this dough, man. Smoking po up with the hoes and homies. Woke up Saturday morning. Thought about my niggas, money, women, and smoking.
Jonas, well, you see what I'm got? It's good,
Again?
Right? That's not it. It's good.
It doesn't even work.
What?
That no one barely uses printer like that. We send emails and text messages and we take pictures.
It's good. I send that to Haiti.
And let me guess, you're sending it to Haiti.
Of course. You want me to buy you one? Okay, I'm going to buy you one. Okay. But that one,
don't want it.
what you mean you buy this one? Oh, parce que c'est ça pour pas aller à l'école, hein? I say no the excuse for you not to go to school, eh? Oh, Dad, I cannot go to school because I don't got a printer. I got one right there. Good printer.
I know it doesn't work. These Haitians keep
I'm
selling.
going to check it right now.
Let me help you out here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Just take that.
Yes.
There you go.
Okay.
Right.
Dale. Vous allez? Et machine là. Give me something to print. Give me a paper. Okay, give me something.
There you go.
Yes, you see that? It's good, right? What's that?
Oh, no.
That's that.
No, that. No.
Konyo, wap chercher ticket pour mettre dans dehors.
No, that.
Wap chercher ticket pour mettre dans dehors. That's how c'est pas un ticket lié. That's not a ticket. What's that?
It was because
that's not a ticket.
My registration.
Yeah, your registration. Your registration is stupid.
I woke up Saturday morning. Thought about my niggas, money, women, and smoking. I've been getting this dough, man. Smoking po up with the.
Oh, come on.
You're not going to believe the deal I came today.
Not again.
You're not going to believe it.
Come on,
It's crazy. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. It's crazy. Look at that. Look at that. Do you know what that is?
It's a DVD player.
That's it right there. You know they need that so bad in Haiti. But Isayo, you cannot find that. You cannot find that.
Right, you cannot find it.
You cannot
You're
find
send
it.
it to Haiti, to Martin.
Of course.
Because
no, that's for Tonton Françoise.
Do you understand that Tonton Françoise doesn't even have electricity over there?
You get generator, mon cher, ça va bien.
What TV is you gonna hook it up to?
I'm going to find the TV for him. Tomorrow I'm going to find, believe that you can put a step right there. I'm going to find a TV for him tomorrow. You hear me? You hear what I say? Tomorrow I'm going to find a TV for him.
I woke up Saturday morning. Thought about my niggas, money, women, and smoking. I've been getting this dough, man. Smoking po up with the hoes and homies.
Not today, Dad. I'm working out. Come on, Dad, please.
Open that door for me, please. What I say? What I'm telling you.
Just
I don't tell you I'm going to find a TV.
First of all, Dad, that's
I
not
don't
even
tell you I'm going to find a TV.
That's a monitor for
I
a computer.
tell you I'm going to find a TV.
It's still dusty.
The plug. That's not the plug, but
It's not even a plug for a TV.
We can be find a way to make it sense.
This is crazy.
But I tell you,
Plug it in.
What I say?
I'm done with this. I can't even.
You don't listen. I say I'm going to find another TV. You don't believe me, but I find it. Jonas, besoin.
It's not going to work.
Nous allons maintenant watch no remote pour lui. Vous prenez remote universal yo.
I woke up Saturday morning, thought about my niggas, money, women, and smoking. I've been getting this dough, man. Smoking po up with the hoes and homies. Woke up Saturday morning, thought about my niggas, money, women, and smoking. I've been getting this dough, man.
Hey, Jonas.
Nope. Dad, listen.
Jonas.
We're not doing this, Dad.
Jonas.
Dad.
Jonas.
No. Dad.
No.
If it's something else, please.
No, I'm not going to show you nothing. Talk to you because you're my baby son. You're my little baby.
What is it?
Mwen caoutchouc dans machine ou pas gevant.
You gonna give me some new tires?
Tabal ba ou $20 pour mettre dans machine.
No.
Non, pas ba $20.
Oh my
Look
God.
at that, don't make any sense.
It's a VCR.
Oh yes, sir.
Nobody.
I hit that jackpot. Hey, there's no problem. I'll give it a try. I'm there for you. No problem. You know I don't got a problem to try. Hold that. Okay, baby. It's heavy. It's a good VCR. It's heavy. I tell you, that's heavy. Give me a tape. You don't got a tape. You always watch the movies. Give me a tape.
Cable! Whoever this guy is, you're getting all this from, Dad, go get your money back. Everything's a PI to you. It doesn't...
That's good deal. Go to Walmart, go to Target, go to Winn-Dixie, go to Buy Best. Go over there. Dis-moi son what monsieur. Yeah, Jesus Christ. Let's buy right now, $50, $80. You go to Walmart right now. $50, $80. Right now you tell me you cannot.
I woke up Saturday morning, thought about my niggas, money, women, and smoking. I've been getting this dough, man. Smoking po up with the hoes and homies. Woke up Saturday morning, thought about my niggas, money, women, and smoking. I've been getting this dough, man. Smoking po up with the hoes and homies. Cool nigga that be at it for the stars. If you talking about bars, I bench press. I'm a cold nigga, crows get froze when the doubts lift up. Shit, hoes fell a piss test. As I ride to the city windows, kinda tinted low key like an OG impress. And I spit out clean, list the rain. I can breathe on the screen, make it seem like Windex. Fish nets on that bad bitch passenger seat as I creep.